Hey, welcome Fit Club members. Today we're going to be doing a foam roller rest and restore workout. Hopefully you enjoy it. All you're going to need is a mat and a 36-inch foam roller. This is a higher density roller. You can also use a low density roller as well. Let's start on our back. We're going to put the roller just in the middle of your back, like on your shoulder blades. Kind of find that little sweet spot. Your hands go behind your head. Take a breath in, look up at the sky. Let your back relax. Your head is the hammock. And breathe. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, let it open. After a long workout, I just shot a leg video, so this one feels really nice afterward. Coming back up. Big exhale, open. And release. You can also use it to roll out your back, which we're going to do next. You can have your hands behind your head, lift up your butt, and roll down to your mid-back only, not your low back. Up to your shoulder blades, down to your mid-back, up to your blades. Now, why don't we roll out the low back? Well, number one, your ribs and your organs are down there, and rolling over it just doesn't feel nice, and you really don't want to break a rib. So your mid to upper back, fair game. Have at it. And release down. Coming over onto your side. Bend your bottom leg, stack them on top. Now put the roller kind of like right underneath your armpit, like right on your side, and your other hand right on the mat. Kind of find that little spot. Put both your hands behind your head. You can bend your knees more if you need. Bring the elbow toward the roller and open. Enjoy that opening stretch. You sit at a desk all day, you're gonna need mobility, especially in your ribs and your spine, because what happens if you don't? You get headaches, you get shoulder issues. Your spine is all confined and all of the discs and the vertebra don't have space. My other workouts have the Pilates that helps create space. One more. Open, extend that arm up. Look at your thumb. Now give me a circle. Just nice small circles. And reverse the direction. One more. Now keep it here, bring it to your ear. Now look forward, bring it to your hip. And over and up. If you did a strength workout, this is the perfect ending addition to round out your stretching routine. And release. All right, now come up to a mermaid before we do the other side. We're gonna do mermaid. Your legs are crossed. You can also sit in this little Z. I'm gonna bring this ankle back. Put your hand on the roller and it's out from your body about an arm's length. Your arm up to your ear. If you have shoulder issues, cross it across your chest. I don't have shoulder issues, so I'm gonna bring it up. Take a breath in. Exhale, bend your elbow. Look at your palm and bring it back up to a T. Arm to ear. Exhale over. Palms face each other. Sink that hip down. Up to a T. Big exhale. Inhale T. One more because it feels so good. Reach. And you can have your arm bent or you can go a little straight to get that stretch. All right, other side. Reach, turn around. Let's do that mobility for your upper ribs. Put it on by the armpit, hands behind the head, knees bent. And bring it forward and open. Now you'll feel the roller moving around on your rib cage, on your lats. That can be really sensitive to some people. So make sure, go down until you kind of feel it and then open it back up. Don't go full range. Listen to your body today. Don't push through and work through the pain and get injured. Listen to my cues. Any good trainer gives you options. Now hold it open. Bring that arm in the air and give me those circles. Pecs can get really tight when you sit at a desk all day. And reverse. I want to give you a well-rounded program. And bring your arm to your ear, look forward. And bring it back. Bring it up. And back. And just hold it here. Let your side body stretch. Let your ribs stretch. If you need a little deeper, you can always lower that head down and get that stretch. All right, coming up for that mermaid. However you like your legs, in front or right here. Hands distance, arm to ear or shoulder. Exhale, roll. Palms face each other. Right back up. And inhale. Big exhale. Back up. Inhale. Back up. Big exhale. Right back up. Inhale. Big exhale. Now straighten that arm. Sink the hip. And bring it all the way back up. Come on to all fours with your roller in front of you. We're going to put your elbows on the roller. Sink your butt back. So you're going to bend your elbows and put them right on top of that roller. Sink your butt back, pat yourself on the back. Let that chest open. Take a breath in. Exhale out all the air. And a breath in. Exhale out the air. And right back up. Now, you can also roll out the forearms. Come to a nice little Z sit. We're going to roll out your triceps. Hold it right here. Roll out that tricep. Bring it back. Now you can have it a little closer. You're just going to do a little roll. You're leaning your hip down and back. Now there's a harder way to do this by putting all of your weight on there, but if your arms are already sore, it's just not going to feel good. So I'm going to like mid-tricep, up to my armpit, going to my elbow, going to my armpit. All right, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the other side. I'm just going to sit around, Z-sit my legs. Now it's basically going mid-tricep, armpit. Put it right on there. Now if you feel like your roller's going to roll away, you can always put your hand on there. Lean it, roll it. Lean it to your armpit, roll it. Just a nice small movement to attack all those body parts that we worked out in earlier workouts. And hold it right here. And come back up. All right, everybody's least favorite, the quads. Come back to the end of your mat. Make sure you got enough room. Start with the roller just above your knees. Make sure you got a mat long enough to where you can walk forward with your arms. Now I don't want your belly sinking like this. You got a big sag. Pull it up. Walk forward to your knee. Push it away. Go up to your hip. Walk forward. Push it back. This is my favorite part after leg day because my quads get really tight, especially if I'm sitting and editing videos for like 4 hours. And now if you find a spot where you're just like, oh my gosh, that is so tight, stay there. Bend your left leg, find the floor. Bend your right leg. Just move it a little bit. One more set each. release. That's enough of those. Now we're going to go on to the calves. Sit on your bottom. Put the roller out, down by your ankle. Cross, actually bring it up just like mid-calf, sorry about that. Cross your other leg on top. Now I like to use my fists so it doesn't get into my shoulders. And for this first one, your bottom leg, just point and flex. Just kind of moving that ankle around. And give me some circles on that bottom foot. Reverse your circles. Now this, if you have shoulder issues, this can really get into your shoulders because normally you would just come up a little bit and move that roller. That doesn't work for you. Bring the roller up to mid-calf, stack your foot, and just point and flex. Don't worry about lifting your butt up. Don't hurt your shoulders over doing something silly, right? And if you need, and you don't have shoulder issues, come up. Otherwise, stick with the point and flex. And lower. You see, even I can only lift myself up so high with shoulder issues. Cross the other leg on top, point and flex. Give me those circles. Oh, feels so good with the ankle mobility. Reverse. And if you want to lift yourself up, turn your fingers outward. Lift up a little, just do 1 or 2 rolls. Have a seat. Otherwise, just point and flex that foot there. You don't have to lift your butt up. Listen to your body. All right, keep with the point and flex, otherwise lift. And lower. We are gonna end lying down on the roller lengthwise. So let's go ahead and get it set up at the top of your mat. Oh, some of my favorites. Lay all the way down. Put your arms up to a W, your feet are nice and wide. Inhale your arms straight up like a shoulder press. Bend your elbows. Press it up and bend. One more time. And now hold it here. Grab your left wrist, pull it to the right, look to your right. Oh, feel that side body stretch. Come back to the center. Grab your right wrist, pull to the left, look to the left. And come back up. Bring your arms to that W. Let your shoulders open. And bring your palms down. Palms up by your hips, right on the floor. Let your pecs open. You did a lot of work this week. They deserve some attention. Let's do some snow angels. Bring your arms up to your head. See if you can keep all of your fingers on the floor. When they start to rise up, come back down. Bring them up. You see, like right here, mine are just starting to come off and back down. Back up and down. Oh, these feel so good. And don't push it. So if your fingers are already coming up here, that's it. That's as far as you go. And down. Now give me some circles. Face your palms in and give me those circles around. And up to the top, reverse. Ground your feet. Make sure your roller isn't moving too much. And lower. Now my favorite stretch, the telephone pole. So take your fingers, kind of cup them, so you're going to grab the bottom of the roller and slide up just a little bit. So this is going to depress your shoulder downward. Our shoulders live up so much these days. So once you got the roller, I'm going to slide down a little. Your shoulders are pulling downward by the help of your fingers. Take a breath in. Look to your right. Oh, feel that neck stretch in the upper shoulders. Oh yeah, that's the ticket. Back up to center. Breath in. Exhale, look left. Inhale, center. One more time. Exhale, look right. Back to center. Exhale, look left. Back to center. Release. Bring your hands by your sides. Couple of breaths here. Breath in. Exhale through the nose. This time, listen in through the nose. Out through the mouth, side out. There we go. Carefully roll off that roller. Bring it back up, because we are done. A quick, short, effective workout to help open up your hips, roll out all the tight spots in your upper body. Hey, don't forget to leave me a rating below. Let me know how you liked this video and continue on, and I'll see you on your mat next time. Bye.